Hey guys, it's Lily Pet Polish, and today's video is an exciting video because I'm going to be swatching some of the polishes from Little Ondine, which they were kind enough to send to me. I was really excited when I received this in the mail because it's a part of their new spring mermaid collection, I believe. So I'm going to be swatching them, showing you guys how they work, and towards the end I'll sort of tell you guys how I feel about them, a little review. And yeah, so if you guys want to know how these polishes work and what they look like, then just keep on watching. So Little Ondine gave me their base and top coat as well as 5 polishes. So the first one I'm going to be showing you guys is the base and top coat. It's sort of like a 2-in-1 polish of theirs, and this one is called Secret. So before I get into the actual polishes, I wanted to quickly mention a little bit about their polishes. So they are water-based polishes, which means that they are peelable, they are eco-friendly, they are odor-free, which I thought was so strange that they have literally no scent. They are super quick drying, so applying multiple coats is easy breezy, and it also says that they have brilliant colors, which I can attest to all of their claims. It is definitely peelable, eco-friendly, and their polishes are really bright. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you the little pamphlet that comes with the polish, basically explaining how you apply it and how you can remove it. So this is what the base and top coat looks like. In the polish bottle, it looks a little bit cloudy, but it's obviously going to apply clear. And I'm showing you guys this application once, but just so you guys know, I did apply this underneath every single polish color. So this first one is actually my favorite in terms of color, pigmentation, and formula. This one is called Buttered Rum, and it is by far my favorite one out of all of the ones that I received. It is such a pretty color, but as you can see, it is also super pigmented in just one coat. So I did apply 2 coats just because that's what I usually do anyway. I just prefer doing at least 2 coats, but you can totally just do one because it's that pigmented. This second blue one is called Mountain Creek, and this is such a unique blue. I would say it's sort of like an in-between a purple and a blue. It is really pretty, nothing like I have in my collection. And this one was a little bit sheerer than the previous polish, but it was still really pigmented. It took 3 coats instead of 2, but I really liked the end result. It was super pretty. And I actually forgot to mention that the finish for both this one and Buttered Rum is a solid. This one is called Orchid, and it's a jelly. So automatically I assumed that it would be sheer, and when I applied it, I was 100% right. This is a sheer polish, but that's kind of what you expect with jelly polishes. But it's still really pretty. If you really wanted to, you can definitely build it up because, as I said before, they are super quick drying, so you can apply many coats, but I just left it at 3 here. And this next one is called Cabernet Sauvignon. I really hope I'm saying that right, but it's some sort of wine. If I'm saying it incorrectly, do tell me how to pronounce it in the comments below. But this one is really similar to the blue one called Mountain Creek in terms of pigmentation. It did take 3 coats for this to be fully pigmented, but I love the color. I love colors like this, like sort of deep burgundy type of colors. This one is really pretty. So the last one is called Mermaid Tears, and this one is the only shimmer polish. You can probably tell it's super crazy shimmery, and it's sort of like a silvery type of polish, but it has like a purpley undertone. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. I did apply 3 coats, and it's a little bit on the sheer side, but I would definitely use this polish like over another polish like black or something like that, and that would be really pretty. And as I said before, these are peelable, so I had to show you guys how they peel. So this is how they peel while the polish is still wet. So I thought it would be a really bad peel, but it actually still peeled even though the polish is wet, which is crazy to me. So it didn't peel perfectly, but on my other hand, I actually had this mani on for an entire week, no chips or anything. I was really impressed by that, and as you can see, it does peel whole. And I don't know, I was just really impressed by these nail polishes. The buttered rum is the one that I had on my nails for an entire week, about 6.5 days I would say, and even though they're peelable polish, they still managed to stay on my nails and they didn't chip at all. I worked 5 days a week, washed my hands tons of times throughout the day, and they were perfect condition. I was really surprised by the longevity of these polishes despite the fact that they're peelable. So yeah, I'm just really impressed by these polishes. These definitely did a lot better than I expected, and they're definitely a lot prettier than I expected as well. So I would definitely recommend these polishes. They are gorgeous and they lasted a long time. And I think I'm going to do another video trying to compare the water-based Secret base and top coat and the Unt peel off base coat, because they look really similar in the polish bottle. They apply really similarly, and they're also both water-based polishes. So I feel like they are maybe really similar, if not the same. So I'm going to try and test that out, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, that concludes this swatch and review video for a Little Ondine Polish Mermaid collection. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then definitely subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!